So today I'm going to show you how to do a gorgeous sleek bun that's a little bit different. So I'm just using a little bit of wax product and I'm just going to smooth this over the hair because I want this to be not a hair out of place kind of style today. And then you'll just take a comb or a brush and we're going to put this hair into a low ponytail. You're then going to take hold of this pony and just bring it up over your fingers like this. And then we're going to tie this into a bobble. You then get hold of this top piece and just bend this around. Get hold of a hairpin and just secure this to the head here. And then for a hair accessory, I've just got, it's kind of like a leather wire, but you could use like ribbon or anything that you wanted to really, just to sort of tie around this middle bit. So I'm just going to use this to come around this style. So that is the bun finished. I've just sort of made sure there's no flyaways, used a little bit of workable hairspray, but let me know in the comments what you think. It's unusual, but I like it.